I've created a cheat sheet for you. It's belonging to setup function in PyCaret, and it's in form of a table. You can see the main topics here: data preparation, feature engineering, scale and transform, mandatory feature selection, and other setup parameters. So you have many opportunities to preprocess data, as I mentioned already. In the second, third, and fourth columns, you can see the subtopics and the parameter names, the types of these parameters, the default value, and the description. And you can see here there are several different opportunities. For example, regarding data preparation, you can handle unknown levels. In that case, the parameter name is handle underscore unknown underscore categorical. It's a Boolean variable, and if it's true, you can replace the unknown categorical levels by the most or least frequent levels, which information is coming from the training data set. So it was only an example, but you have many other opportunities. Many times you can change the method regarding the specific method, and you can change or you can handle the target imbalance. You can remove outliers, you can use ordinal encoding or cardinal encoding or one-hot encoding. You can change the data types. It's very important because there are cases in which the infer data types which is automatically not good, and in that case you can give explicitly the numeric features, categorical features, date features, and you can ignore features, and you can handle missing values. The next main topic is feature engineering. You have several opportunities also here. So feature interaction, polynomial features, trigonometric features, group features, min numeric features, combine rare levels, create clusters. So you can create different new features in several ways. You can scale and transform your data with normalize, feature transform, and target transform. There are mandatory parameters, as I mentioned already, the data and the target. You have feature selection opportunities. Feature selection, remove multicollinearity, ignore low variance, principal component analysis. And there are other setup parameters. For example, there are different parameters for experiment logging. It's very important because you can log your experiments, and you will be able to see the history and the results with MLflow. And you can use model selection parameters, you can change the train size, you can use test data, you can use data split, shuffle, and you can change many other things. And there are other variables. For example, you can change here njobs as well. You can use GPU and so on. And I highly recommend you also the documentation of PyCaret. It's a pretty good documentation, and regarding preprocessing, there are main topics: data preparation, scale and transform, feature engineering, feature selection, and other setup parameters. So it's very familiar for you because these main topics are same to this table. And if you check, you can see many things. For example, missing values, you can see the parameters, the default values, the descriptions. Also, you can see examples. Many times you can see pictures. I didn't mention, but there are pictures also here. not very often, but if something is maybe not clear, or maybe it's a little complex, I attached a picture, and I recommend to use this table, the Chrome web browser, because you can zoom in, zoom out very easily. And I think this documentation is great, so you can use it very easily. But if you want to use only one tool and you don't want to see many examples, I think this cheat sheet is a good opportunity and a good help for you.